how to cook sunny side eggs, very easy. For the next step, I'm gonna use cooking oil, but you can use butter as well. Now you need to turn your stove on with very low fire. Now you need to crack your egg. Slowly pour the egg yolk on the center. Now we're gonna wait at least 1 minute. Now we're going to add salt. And let's wait for at least 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn the egg inside out. Now we're going to slide this out into the plate. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your like and comment. See you in the next video. Goodbye.